Pero palagay ko ang magiging pamantayan natin diyan, Padre, hindi man kriminal, kasi alam mo naman yung criminal is personal, di ba?
Yeah.
But on the aspect of civil liability, baka pwedeng pumasok kung merong extraneous na tinatawag natin na negligence on the part of the administrator or the management in ensuring safety of the passenger. So, pwedeng pumasok siguro doon.
Pwedeng maging liable.
Pwedeng maging
What about
liable.
the security guard?
Well, palagay ko kasama sila doon. Part of it will be the security guard, pero ang nakasanayan natin, Padre, normally yung mga security guard, ano yan, outsource yan. So, ang mangyayari niyan, pag nagkataon, hypothetically, assuming na ganito yung sitwasyon, sasampahan mo yung administrator, which is the management probably, and then sasampahan mo rin yung security agency.
Security agency.
So magiging sa civil case yun.
Civil and administrative na.